I did it!
Hey guys, so welcome to Nava's Nook Knack.
Yeah.
So I actually have a surprise for Nava.
Yeah.
I do. So it's something that she really loves. Since her little sister was born, she's just been obsessed with them.
Yeah.
But I'm excited to give it to her. My mom's a little bit of a hoarder, just a little bit of a hoarder. But it actually came in handy this time. So I'm actually going to give Nava my childhood
Yeah.
DOLL. And I'm really excited to give it to Nava and see if she likes it.
Yeah.
Do you think you're gonna like it?
Yeah, I like it.
What do you think it is?
It's baby doll.
You think it's a baby doll?
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to find out. It's a surprise.
Yeah.
So we'll see if she likes it.
Mama. Mama.
What, baby?
Mama.
What, baby?
What is it?
I think it's a surprise.
Bye. Yeah, I like it. Bye.
You ready to see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Here you go.
Thank you.
What is it?
I think it's a baby doll.
You think it's a baby doll?
Yeah. The baby doll. What baby doll?
Baby doll.
Oh, baby doll. I got it.
What's her name?
It's B.
I named her Hannah.
Huh?
Hannah.
Hannah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she heavy?
I have a baby.
So do you love her?
I love it, baby. Hannah. Yeah. Bye. Please stop by. What to do? Think what? Bye. I love baby. Bye.